The more you're remembering Radha and Krishna, the more you're surrendering. Because at every moment of time, at every moment of conscious time when we're awake, and ideally when we're asleep, although that's very difficult to control the thoughts when one's sleeping, practically impossible. But at least when we're conscious and awake, the more moments and the more minutes that we're remembering Radha and Krishna and actually serving them with our mind and senses, then that degree, that's the measurement or the indication of what degree we're surrendered to Radha and Krishna. It doesn't have much to do with the intellect. It's just obvious. There's two choices. You're either planning or thinking about something besides Krishna or Radharani, or Radha and Krishna. So at every moment someone is hearing Harikatha about Radha and Krishna, and then if not hearing, then chanting, or cooking for them, or worshipping their murti form, and just moment to moment, that means they're surrendered, they're fully surrendered.